All right, on a scale 1 to 10, I would give this noodle, and it's not because I got a cold. Wow. Ramen, try to eat different packages. Maybe you never know what you're gonna like. Well, not to rock your world, but there's literally tons and tons of brands of instant ramen noodles on this planet. Talk about different kind of noodles that we can try instead of eating just this one, because now it's become almost a delicacy, kind of like how ramen used to be. This is the first noodle we'll be trying. This is the Penang White curry noodle. Fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your BURPEEyoga uncle. E olu olu e like akau inoa. Mahalo nui loa. Please like and subscribe. And that's in Hawaiian. This is the first noodle we'll be trying. This is the Penang White curry noodle. I think I bought this in a 4-pack and it was like maybe $5 or something like that for a 4-pack of these. This one is actually made in Malaysia. I picked it up in an Asian market where they had a whole bunch. Well, they're not really the healthiest, but for sure you'll get your calories and your fat real quick. So I'm gonna go and make this real quick. Usually I throw in whatever vegetable we have. Today we have cabbages. I just cut it, wash it and clean it, and then I'll have spam. And then also I'll usually cook an egg with it. So like most instant ramen globally eaten, they usually add some stuff to it. If not, you can eat it just the way it is. So let's go ahead and cook it. Now let me open it and so show you what's inside. It's like unboxing ramen. Huh? So inside is the noodle. And for this one, it comes with many packs of stuff, I guess, huh? It comes with, I think there's a dairy pack, a seasoning pack, and this is the sauce. So it comes with 3 packs of stuff. So let's go ahead and cook it. So there's really no right way of cooking instant noodles. Because I have veggies, I'm gonna go ahead and cook the veggies first, because it takes a while for them to cook. So it's been about a minute and a half. I'm gonna throw in the instant noodle. By the way, most instant noodles are fried. You know that? Yeah, that's why they have such a high fat content. So if you want to eat clean, I'll be reviewing those too. I'll be reviewing the ones that's not fried. And in the meantime, while this is cooking, I want to cook the egg. Throw in the packs. That's the dairy, I think, to make it creamy. And this is the Penang sauce, I guess. The egg is done. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go and eat it. Well, I thought I was recording, but I didn't. So I actually dug into it already. So let me tell you my initial reaction. So when you first eat it, oh, it's spicy. I don't know if you can see the soup. Can you see the soup? It's got a hint of curry and also Thai or Indonesian spices. It's spicy. It's almost on the hot and spicy Shin ramen level. You eat the meat. And my veggie. Man, if I want spicy noodle, this would be it. Next time I'm gonna put more vegetable. I'm sweating. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the oil on top? Man, this is a very good soup, my goodness. You know when it's hot when your unk starts sniffling. And it's not because I got a cold. Wow. Just like in my food adventures, I don't know why we keep buying the same instant cup noodle or ramen. Try different ones. I mean, it's only a few dollars. If you don't like it, just throw it away or give it away to a food salvation army or something like that, because it's not open, right? But hey, you never know if you like a certain package. I love this package. I would rebuy this. For the egg, usually I like to suck the yolk. Ugh. I'm shaking because it's so spicy. I would say cooking it and the time it takes to eat it is almost the same. Thank goodness I put a lot of vegetables in. I'm literally sweating. That's how hot it is. Spicy. Now, can you see? I'm sweating. This is dry. I'm gonna go wipe my forehead. Look, I'm literally sweating eating this. That's how spicy it is. Wow. Look at the soup. Look at that. All right, your uncle. Until the next time, please like and subscribe. Bless up. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this noodle probably a 9, 9.5 for spiciness. And for the flavor, it's not really salty, but it has a very rich, creamy flavor. The noodle is not overtly al dente, even though I can make it like that, and there's not really a big portion. But this soup, man, this soup base is just wow. It's amazing. I can literally reuse this soup base and cook something else with it. But it's super spicy. As I shown, I literally, if I take a napkin after I'm eating and I wipe my forehead, I mean, it's wet. I mean, that's how spicy it is, and it's freaking, I don't know, 50, 60 degrees outside, and inside here is about 70, and I'm still sweating, and it's like, it's spicy as heck. But I love this noodle. Would I buy it again? For sure, I would buy it again. It's your Uncle BURPEEyoga. Go ahead, explore life. Try different things. You got 24 hours. Even in ramen, try to eat different packages. Maybe you never know what you're gonna like, right? Right? You never know what you're gonna like. In fact, the global consumption of ramen noodles, instant noodles, is a bit shocking. Can you believe that we ate $32 billion worth of instant pack noodles? 32 billion last year with a B, right? China being the number one, they consume 40 billion packages of instant noodle. The second one, to believe it or not, is Indonesia. They ate 12 billion. India is 6 billion. Japan is 5.7. That's really quite amazing, simply because they have such a small population base. I mean, you can figure out why China is the way it is. And Vietnam is 5.2 billion. And what is the top 3 per capita consumption of instant ramen? Take a wild guess. It is number 1, of course. It is South Korea. I don't mean just this brand, but South Korea in general. They consume basically 74.6 serving. I would assume that would be a year. The second one is Vietnam. Even though they have a lot of pho and noodles to eat, they consume 53.9 servings. And Nepal eats 53 servings, right? And it's quite amazing. The number 1 ramen noodle maker used to be Nissin, which is this, but now it's overtaken by Indonesian company. So this series, I'm gonna go in and talk about different kind of noodles that we can try instead of eating just this one, because now it's become almost a delicacy, kind of like how ramen used to be. But so this is going to be the intro for every single one of my videos. You can always bypass it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be reviewing different type of noodles, instant noodles that I eat. And we don't really eat a lot, even though it looks like we have a lot, but choices, right? And they're so inexpensive and full protein with vegetables and tasty and very little bit of money. So let's get to it.